Welcome to the BMW Art Car Tour. Follow me through this very special art collection. A lot of artists created art cars in the past decades.
You have to be very practical, and yet an incredible dreamer.
In painting or visual work, I think it's all about pushing limits of what could be possible.
I painted my dream in teaching the meaning of these stories, told by my father.
I want to bring the whole world into it, and it's to connect one place to another. Actually, I would like to do about 10 more, all different.
The difference is this is an object meant to be seen moving. And I kept looking at it. What would be good would be to take away the surface of it.
If a car is racing by, its movement is going to change what you would see.
Heute ist es alles ein bisschen abstrakter. Das macht also sozusagen den Stil aus. Proportionen, Abstände, Rhythmus.
It's like a piece of rhythm, and more than anything, I wanted to make it look like it was about to go. So I tried to do it as, a piece of art, but also as a piece of design.
I also thought it would be nice if women could participate other than standing around in bikinis.
It's like modern dance. A machine. For me, it's like human.
The challenge comes in making something that is not understood from one point of view, but is understood from a total point of view.
You see the beauty of this car, and you see yourself printed on the car, like reflections that have been fixed.
If I were to do it again, certainly I wouldn't want to repeat it. But I have no confidence that I'd be able to do something better.
So what would happen if the car seemed to just go through that painting and become affected by it? I'm interested in the kind of subjective readings of these paintings.
Where you kind of leave it, and suddenly there is that moment where you see other people investing themselves in the project. I become a spectator.
絵が雪っていう雪付き花の木の雪っていう。
Bij ons in de bellen is ik het hier trouwen of hier ik die kaart zo gever.
Dieser Überraschungsmoment ist hier auch mit in das Motiv eingearbeitet.
Und wenn ich an Geschwindigkeit denke, fällt mir zuerst ein Vogel ein. Deshalb wollte ich, dass es den Eindruck vermittelt, ohne jeden Widerstand durch den Raum zu gleiten.
Et je voulais faire les 24 heures du Mans. Et j'ai eu l'idée donc d'associer cette passion pour la vitesse et de l'art en faisant peindre, mais la première idée était celle de Calder. Culture, le mouvement.